Okay, today I am trying the green berry Shakeology with no sugar added berry melody fruit. Excuse me, I am a mess again today. So I'm going to do 1 cup of the berry melody with strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and red raspberries. I'm going to do green berry Shakeology. Smells good. And a cup of almond milk. I'm not going to put any ice in it because my vegetables are frozen. Okay. Does that sound good? Okay, here we go. Looks good and creamy. It's a little thick. Why do they keep getting so thick? Well, let's try. Let me get a straw. Okay, here we go. Smells pretty good. It looks like blackberry ice cream. This is my breakfast today. The only thing I had was coffee, which eventually I will wean off, but this is only my second Shakeology. So, let's see. It's good. Oh yeah. It's fruity. Very good. Thank you.